Hello everyone. I hope you all are good. And today Daddy asked me that he want mug cake in his mug. So I just got some ingredients actually. I got the baking soda, baking powder actually, cocoa powder, and a Cadbury chocolate. And I bought some ice which I grind in my grinder. And I need some spoons and a fork. And I need some flour. I need some milk, and I need some oil which I already added with the oil and milk. I need, I think, 3 teaspoons of oil and 3 teaspoons of milk, and that's it. We are gonna mix them up, shake them up, and let me show you my one and only microwave. So we are gonna place that on 1 minute, and it's gonna be get ready. So it will be a quick recipe. So let's not waste any more time, and let's get started. So I asked my daughter Aisha to help me around. So here we go. She's gonna start these things with us. Come on, let's do it, Aisha. She's mixing the flour actually in a daddy's mug. This is 1 teaspoon. This is 2. This is 3. Now she's adding some icing sugar, which is 1, 2. Wonderful. Now she's adding some cocoa powder in a mug. That is 1, 2, I think 2 teaspoons, yeah. Now she's gonna add some baking powder with small teaspoon, with, okay, very nominal, okay. And what else left? That's it? Okay. She's gonna mix them up before she add the milk and the oil. That's a veg. Adding the milk and the oil. It's a vegetable oil which she's mixing. Great, wonderful. With the help of fork, she's blending the cocoa powder, the baking powder, the icing sugar, and the flour with the help of fork. It's gonna be a bit rich. One needs some hard hands. I couldn't make it with one hand, so I asked my daughter to help me, please. So fortunately, she was free out of studies. It's kind of a bit richy. She's adding some milk in it because we pour some less milk, I guess. I think we should need to add more milk. And here we go. Okay. Aisha is trying hard to mix the chocolate in the mug. Oh yeah, so yummy, my God. Why it looks to me death by chocolate. Anyway, come on, hurry up. I need this mug. I need this cake. I want to eat it. I'm so starving. Sorry guys, we just forgot the chocolates to add. So I just remind me that Daddy, where's the chocolate? So here's the chocolate. Okay, sweetie, add some chocolate in it. That's it. Okay, so it seems like to me it's very yummy. We just add some milk. Earlier we were thinking that only 3 teaspoons would work, but I don't think so. So let's put it in the microwave oven in a while. So it is ready. To me it looks so yummy. Oh my god, Dad's gonna love it, I believe. Now I have to express for 1 minute, and yeah, wow. Okay guys, I'll see you in a while. While this 1 minute process, I don't want you to watch this 1 minute process. I'll be back. Sure. The cake is ready. Let's see. Oh my god, it looks awesome. With a teaspoon, now let's check it out first of all. Oh, it's so yummy. So let's go to the dairy. But before we go to the dairy, I think we need to garnish some icing sugar on it. Adding some icing sugar. Wow. Daddy's cake in Daddy's mug is ready. And I have to clean these things, but later. So let's go to the daddy and ask him how he likes it. Okay guys, let's go to daddy and tell him, Daddy, your cake mug is ready. Please check it out. And tell us how is it. How is that? Okay, thank you so much.